Welcome to DESI ASTRO. In this Python tutorial on Astropy, our objective is to learn that how to perform padding on fixed image of astronomical objects. Okay, so what is padding? So padding can be applied to your 1D data or your two-dimensional image data. It's in the same way. So in this context, the padding refers to the adding additional pixel around the image. Okay, so and it is also used to increase the pixel size of the image, and in which you can give any number to the pixel value. So here you can see I have an image. Okay, so this image consists of pixel size of around 900 to 900 rows and 900 column of 2D data. Okay, so what does this padding will do to this image? So this is my initial pixel of the image, and after padding my image size of row and column will increase to this much. Okay, you can increase to any number you want, and you can give the extra pixel a given values, a 0 or a none values. You can give anything. So same thing we are going to do it using Python coding, Astropy, NumPy and Matplotlib. So before going to the fixed image which is the 2D data, I will apply padding to your 1D array for your good visualization on the padding. So let's do it. So let's first understand one-dimensional padding. Okay, so for that I can give a comment, 1D padding of array. Right, so for that I will import my NumPy library, NumPy as np, and after that I can give my your 1D data. So x equal to np dot array, just do it and give some number, say 136. Yeah, that's fine. So here's your x, right? And now suppose you want to apply padding around, before your 1 and after 9. Okay, on the both side of the array. So see how to do it. So apply padding on both side of array, right? So for that type here called x pad. Okay, x pad, and you can give your command np dot pad and function and see what it will take. Okay, so you can see it can take array, right? And you can give a pad width, or before n. Okay, so and before n and after n. Okay, so and you can give constant values, right? You can give this value as maximum, minimum, mean, median, which you can replace this value. Okay, so let's do it. So just okay, so first give your array x. Okay, and then you can give here, say you want to add two numbers before 1 and 3 numbers after 9. Okay, and see what it will return. So xpad and run it. So here you can see that here 2 stands for 20 before 1 and 3 stands for 30 after after 9. Okay, so this way you can add as much as you want, suppose 4 or 6. Okay, so this way you can add. Okay, now you can also add more stuff to this. So if I go here and go below, so you see here you can like give, you can you have mode. Okay, so mode you can give. So if you like put here mode equal to max. Okay, see what it will return. What is that? Max is not supported. I think there's a maximum. Okay, so here you can see that if you go to, give your mode maximum, so the all values before 1 and after 9 will be replaced by maximum value of this array. Okay, similarly you can give minimum value. So minimum, right? So this you can replace with your minimum value. You can also give the mean, right? Mean, median, you can give so many keywords, and you can and it will replace your padding by the same. Okay, so I will put just constant, right? So it will replace by your zeros. Okay, all right. So I hope that now your 1D padding of array is clear. So you can also check here the shape of this padding array, right? X dot size, right? So you can see it's 15, and earlier it was the size was this. Okay, so X dot size. So you have like 15 was earlier, now it's so earlier it was 5, and now it's 15 after padding. Okay, so this way you can do this stuff. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now we will go to the two-dimensional padding. Okay, with the image, like how to make this image from the for the bigger pixels, right? So let's do it. So now we'll be moving to the 2D padding. Okay, so perform 2D array or image padding. Okay, and for that I will be using fits image from astronomical observation. So let's do it. All right, so I will import my Astropy library. So from astropy.io import fits. Okay, and then I will also import matplotlib. So import for plotting matplotlib, right? Now, so now we will be reading our fits file. So you can give file equal to fits.open function, and I can give my file name. Okay, so this is my file name, and then I can extract file information, right? So you can see primary is du 0, and you have this dimensional data. Okay, of this size for one column, right? So for that, then I will extract image data. So for that you can call your image 2D equal to file and 0 for your primary SDU, right? And then that dot attribute data. Okay, so here you can see that here you have image 2D, right? This is the numbers, right? And you can also get your image shape. Okay, so image 2D dot shape. Okay, so you have this much size. Okay, now I will do the plotting. So for that, type a command prt dot im show image show and give your image 2D data, right? Also take the log of the image, log of data, log 10, right? So here you can see that you have an image of this size. Okay, this is your rows and columns. Okay, I mean the x-axis and your y-axis. Okay, you can also make origin lower to make axis at 0 0. So your origin got at 0 0, right? So you have like y-axis 500 and x-axis you have 1100. Okay, so now do the padding. Okay, so now perform padding size and make this image add a padding. So now add padding. So okay, so now I will be adding the extra pixels around this image. Okay, so now add padding, extra padding, say here extra padding. Okay, and you want to add 100, just say 500 to 500 pixels. Okay, 500 pixels, right? So for that, type here command np.pad, right? So np.pad and then give your image data, right? And then you can give your padding as so you can give your top and bottom padding, right? So you can give, say, okay, so top, so here your top will be 250, then the bottom side, it is also will be 250, and similarly left and right will be left and right will have 250 pixels. Okay, so you can give here, say, 250 into 250, and then again you can give left right, so 250 into 250 and close this, right, and run it. Okay, so here you can see that you have added this G0 value by default, and here you have some number. Okay, so like if you check the shape, you can say here image variable 2D and pad. Okay, so this is your new variable, right? So you can return here variable, and you can also check the shape. Okay, so image dot shape, right? So here you can see that this time. Okay, so earlier you have this image, so just I will print here, right? So yeah, okay, so earlier you have image of size 500 into 1100. Now you have image size of 100 and 1600. Okay, so I mean your image has increased by 500 pixels. Okay, 500 pixels in your x and y. Okay, so 500 plus 500, 1000, and it got 100, right? So now upload this image. Okay, so plt dot im show, and you can give your image to the pad. Okay, and you can also run it. Okay, so maybe you can take the log, even though it is logged in, there may be some throwing some error, but you have to ignore. Okay, so here you can see that you can also make the origin lower to compare origin equal to lower. So here you can see that this time. Okay, so first we have image of this size, right? We have x-axis 1100 and y. Okay, so I think this is the picture of the padding fits image, and I hope this is clear right now that how to do add extra pixels in a fits image. So this is like used to compare like two images having same size, and you can do some other stuff as per your requirement. This is how padding is done. So we have this image size. You have y-axis and x-axis, and this time like we have added some 500 pixels extra in the image. This is how my resulting image looks like. Thank you.